I said, this is them. And they were coming for the Children's Hospital in Washington. So we tried again, and it took 10 years, and finally Franca said, well, maybe next year we'll come to the United States, in the southern United States. And then with Michelle's help, and Lorenzo, Jennifer, the whole Boston team of angels, it happened. And 4 years ago we started, and we were at the convent. And this is the other thing in between, like, the biggest part is we had the idea, and what starts with an idea, and we went to talk with Regina, and Regina said, let's do it. And Regina is very, very courageous, and I feel like God works through Regina and all of the people at Holy Angels, but I wanted to just talk about how we met. And the second part is about my mom's book. You may have seen my mom. There's beautiful Italian woman. She was signing her book. It's a memoir about her Italian heritage and her delicious recipes.